Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the Morning Volatility Report. It is I, Andrew Giovinazzi, Chief Operating Officer of OptionPit.com, welcoming you to OptionPit.com. Also, take a look at our store page. If you go to Home, and here's our home page. There's Handsome Mark, Bloomberg, OptionPit Method, all this good stuff. However, look soon for a special on all of our all of our courses. We might be doing a special here on, the advanced courses. Masterclass are a little separate because they're so much longer, but all of our advanced courses, butterflies, anything where you actually want to see how to trade and manage this stuff, these are great introductions to those topics. All right, so look for a note for us on a special to celebrate our new store page. It's kind of nice looking, isn't it? All right, anyway, let's get on to the markets. All right, so let's look what happened. Okay, VIX is almost even for the day. The SPX is fading the move this morning. 90% done in China. I think the market's seen that so much, they just don't care anymore. They just don't care anymore. That's the bottom line. They want a deal. They want a deal in China. They want to know what the interest rates are. And, total fade of the positive news and vol coming back up. And here's something to look at. All right. So if you go oil, all the commodities, I think they're going to be a little bit balanced. It seems like they took a little bit of the heat out of gold yesterday, and they're taking a little more out of it today. Maybe the rate cut's not going to be as good as everybody wanted, so that's going to pull things back. We have such big issues hanging over the market, it's hard to kind of get by. But be that as it may, we're still only 30 points off of the all-time high. Like, that's 1%. So clearly, I think stocks still want to rally. We just got to get through whatever this news is and then see if the economic growth is there. I think that's kind of where things are. But short term, if you want to trade, I think like the 2,900 going into this G20 might not be a bad trade. Like as a calendar spread, we're going to look at that in our chat room today. Also, keep in mind for VIX. VIX has literally been stuck for a week and change, 15, 16 range. Let's take a look at the futures term structure here. We're 1629, 1655. So VIX cash is probably up 2 points from last week, right, when we had kind of the hunky-dory rally. And notice here we have about $1.40 all the way out to the farthest term March. Really flat term structure. So this is a curve that's poised to move. My guess is it's poised to move after the G20. We'll also look at some kind of inflection trade there if there's enough money there. I've been waiting to really do a VIX trade. In our vol newsletter right now, we kind of have like a double decay trade. We're long a fly and long some VXX puts, right? VXX is still decaying slightly. However, with VIX cash going up, VXX ain't going down. I mean, it's not going up, it's not going down. So basically, this curve has absorbed all of the cash, which was the idea of the trade. And then if the market just kind of melts away, we have a shot at making some money with it. So now, though, we want a more active vol trade going into the G20, probably with VXX directly. And it might be a 2 or 3 day trade. We'll take a look at that in the chat as well. So to the extent that this is kind of, you like trading vol when it's moving, this has a shot. The only other thing, too, I would add is looking at oil is still kind of on a tear. I don't think this Iran thing is totally out of the picture. Volatility in the 30s. And I think we can get some kind of interesting trade out of this. But I'll just take a look at the 1 year vol chart. Vol's still pretty high. However, oil is moving decently. So we can, I think, come up with something here. And it doesn't look like the move is necessarily over either. So we'll try looking at oil. We will try SPX, and we will try VIX in our chat room today. If you're not in our chat room or can't get our our trade log that we put out on once a day. You can subscribe to Option Pit Live. Send me a note, Andrew@optionpit.com, if you're interested, and we'll make you a deal. We're in a dealing mood today. What the heck? All right? Even if you want everything in our store, let me know, and I'll give you a good price on it. You get everything, all you can eat for a decent price, let me know. Andrew@optionpit.com. If you have any other questions, also Mark@optionpit.com, although he's on vacation for the next week. So don't send him anything because he's on vacation. And with that, I will see all of you in a little bit. Okay, so let you guys know Mark is out, Leisha's out next week, so it's pretty much me for the next 8 trading days. We do have, 4th of July next week, so we take that into consideration. Okay. All right. I will talk to you in the chat in a little bit.